Welcome. In front of me is a Xiaomi Watch 3S, and today I'll go unboxing along with a quick look at the device itself. So let's just get it open. Now I just realized that I said 3S, it's actually S3 if that makes any difference. But that being said, let's pop it open. We have a little bit of info right here, so we have quick to change what? Huh? So apparently we can change bezels right here. We can figure out how, whatever. I'm gonna fiddle with that in a second. We have up to 15 days battery life and a professional... What? These are some weird things advertised on here. It's professional skiing mode. Then on the other side we have a Bluetooth phone calls. Okay, that's normal. All-day heart rate monitoring. That's normal. And then L1 and plus L5 dual band GNSS. I think if I remember correctly, this is just a GPS tracking. So let's just get it out and boot it up. Now it is on a chunkier side, so the device is a little bit thicker. There we go. So we have our magnetic charger. That's pretty nice. And paperwork. Now taking a look at the watch, we have a 1.4-inch display running a resolution of 466 by 466 AMOLED display with a brightness of about 600 nits and a 26 pixels per inch. It is also running Harmony OS, unlike the Watch 2 from Xiaomi, which is running on Wear OS, which obviously probably a little bit better in terms of compatibility, a little bit worse when it comes down to battery life. This one has a 15-day battery life, which is pretty good, with a really nice vibrant display, while the Watch 2, which I do have it right over here, while smaller and has a more complex, I guess, OS, will have significantly lower battery life because of it. Also, it actually is significantly lighter compared to this one. Now, inside here we have a 486 mAh battery, which is very similar to the Watch 2. And that's about all the worth mentioning information. One last thing that I'm going to mention is the price tag, which it is about 150 euros, which also is the same price as the Watch 2. So, there we go. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.